Welcome back. Today, the 8 most common AI mistakes in B2B SaaS marketing and how to prevent them. The root cause is always the same. AI output shipped without operator validation. Get it wrong, and you're looking at 50% wasted spend or a $500,000 fine. Here's the thing about AI. It's reliable. 85 to 92% of output is usable as is. The problem is the tail, the last 8 to 15% where every mistake lives. Automation ships everything. AI native ships only what passes operator review. The catch rate is the whole game. So here are the 8 ICP drift. Brand voice errors, hallucinated facts, audience leakage, pricing errors, competitive misinformation, compliance violations, attribution errors, rank by cost, ICP drift, and hallucinated facts do the most damage. Let's take the top 4. Mistake 1. ICP drift, the most expensive. AI maximizes what you told it to, volume, but volume pulls in companies outside your ICP. You won't see it in impressions, you'll see MQL to SQL drop 15 to 35% over 60 days. Fix an operator checkpoint on every target list before AI executes. Mistake 2. Brand voice drift. Each AI draft is usable but off, and no single reviewer flags it. 6 months later, your content doesn't sound like your brand. The fix: a documented voice rubric in voice and off voice examples, and every long form draft scored against it before it ships. Mistake 3. Hallucinated facts. The most legally dangerous. AI invents statistics, customer names, quotes, capabilities, and it all reads as authoritative. You find out when a customer says they've never heard of you or a competitor sends a cease and desist. Prevention: a fact verification gate, every claim checked against source of truth. No exceptions. Mistake 4. Audience leakage. You feed AI a lookalike seed, but it includes free trial users and off ICP customers. The lookalike inherits every flaw. An audit shows 30 to 55% outside your ICP. Fix: filter the seed first and audit quarterly. Otherwise, cost per SQL runs 2 to 3 times benchmark. 4 more. Pricing errors. AI quotes outdated pricing. Pull from one source of truth. Competitive misinformation. AI describes rivals wrong. Validate against the brief. Compliance, GDPR, CCPA, the EU AI Act. Run a checklist before launch since fines start at $500,000. Attribution errors. AI credits the wrong source, misallocating 20 to 40% of budget. Put it together and you've got a field guide. For each mistake, the diagnostic signal that flags it, the single prevention that stops it, and the cost if it ships. Pin this one up. The 8 preventions combine into one quality control architecture. ICP fit validation, voice rubric scoring, FAT verification, audience audits, pricing source of truth, positioning review, a compliance checklist, an attribution audit trail. Run continuously, not once. Here's prevention in the numbers. Price labs. ICP drift prevention took ROAS from 0.7 to 2.5 times. Track check. Fact verification gates, 4 times the trials at 51% lower cost. Rocket Lane. A brand voice rubric, 3.4 times ROAS. Same architecture, up to 3 times higher closed won than automation. So the bottom line: 1 root cause, 8 checks, run every day. Prevention cost minutes. Discovering a hallucinated testimonial cost months. If your program is measured on 30-day CPL instead of pipeline, you're leaving money on the table. Book a free 45-minute audit at meetings.hubspot.com/ishantem. Thanks for watching.